Hi, my name is Kaia. I'm the mom of two young kids, 5 years old and 8 years old. I'm 44, perimenopausal, and in the stage of my life where I'm taking care of everybody but myself most of the time. So my recommendation of Bella LeVay's Radical Radiance class comes from having attended the last 4 sessions of it. It is a powerful set of tools for you to help take care of yourself in the times when it seems like there's no way you have any time to take care of yourself. She uses everything from Qigong to ancient sound practices and body awareness practices that really connect you to everything you've been missing and didn't know. It may seem strange, but when you connect to your sexuality and you connect to your very feminine, dark essence, which all has the woo closet all over it. But when you connect to those things, you're more able to be a better anchor for your family and a better provider for yourself. And you can take care of things like the symptoms of perimenopause. And you can take care of your body and your libido and your love and your heart in wonderful ways using the tools that Bella teaches. So I cannot recommend her class highly enough. You would do yourself a big favor by signing up for it. It's excellent on Zoom. You can do it in the privacy of your own home. Highly worth every penny invested. It's a great course. You'll take the tools with you for years to come. The only reason I'm taking it again is that the circle is so great. So the spring circle she's offering up this year in 2021 is going to be awesome. So hope to see you there. And yes, I absolutely recommend the class. Peace out, ladies.